Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notified when someone have made duet with your video on Likee. So let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in a device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on settings. Next, tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find Duet. Then tap on it. So this is how you can get notified when people have made duets with you on Likee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.